how to log in Bitmart account. In this video, I will guide you through all the steps. Just make sure to watch till the end. First of all, open up your Bitmart app and you will head to the home page. Press here on Login. Now there we can log in our account with our registered phone number as well as email. Simply type your email here and password in the box below. Press Sign In and solve this CAPTCHA. Now it's asking to verify our email and authenticator. Simply open your Gmail and copy your verification code and paste here. Then go to your authenticator app and also paste below and press Authorize. Press Confirm. And our account will be logged in. And that's it, guys. Found helpful? Make sure to leave a like and do subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.